Welcome to the Kravan Temple. Also known as the Kravan Temple Complex, is a remarkable gem situated near Siem Reap, Cambodia, dating back to the early 10th century during the reign of King Harshavarman II.
Harshavarman II, KH pronoun, Horsverman I, Harshar equals smile, or mean of Cambodian royal word, smile. Bidat SK 000-944. Reign 942 to 944. After receiving the throne, he was named Priya Bat Tulajang Priya Rakam Tum Ong Sri Harsvarman Devraj. Translated into Khmer, Priya Bat Utam Khmer Priya Kam Tum Ong Sri Harsvarman Devraj. Harshavarman II is defined as the second king of Smiles, who was the eldest son of King Jayavarman IV and the son of King Rajendravarman II.
This temple stands as one of the earliest and most significant sandstone structures in the Angkor region, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu, the temple's unique architectural style sets it apart from the larger, more well-known temples in Angkor. Comprising 5 exquisite brick towers arranged in a row, Kravan showcases classical Khmer design and features intricate carvings and reliefs that narrate captivating stories from Hindu mythology. What truly distinguishes Kravan Temple is its well-preserved interior. Within the central tower, visitors can marvel at stunning bas-reliefs depicting the exploits of Vishnu and his avatars, highlighting the exceptional craftsmanship of the artisans of the time. These carvings not only captivate the eye, but also provide valuable insight into the spiritual beliefs and cultural practices of the Khmer Empire. While many Angkor temples can be overly crowded, Kravan offers a serene experience that allows visitors to immerse themselves in its rich history. Discovering this hidden treasure of Khmer architecture is essential for anyone looking to grasp the profound cultural heritage of Cambodia and appreciate the architectural genius of the Khmer Empire. Don't miss out on this enchanting site that invites exploration and reflection.